Hey cruising crew, and welcome back to our channel. Today we are at MSC's private island, Ocean Cay in the Bahamas. And they have just undergone a huge renovation. For 3 months the island was shut down, and I think they're a little bit behind schedule because there's still some renovation work going on. But we're gonna go check out what's being done, what's been done, and what you can expect for the rest of 2025. When we got on board, they actually had a nifty infographic about all of the renovations being done to the island. The most exciting thing, in my opinion, is the new Marine Conservation Center. So it's part of the MSC Foundation, which actually put on a 5K this morning. So if you bought a t-shirt or a hat supporting the foundation, you were entered for free to run the 5K around the island. This is something that Disney Cruise Line has been doing for a long time, but it's brand new to MSC. So the Conservation Foundation is building this state-of-the-art center. It's gonna be to help kind of talk about research that they've done, conservation efforts for marine life, and just kind of an overall education opportunity for people. It looks like it's gonna be a little outdoor under pergolas, so not necessarily something to do if it's raining like today, but a really cool addition that they're doing. They're also adding a couple new beach bars. So there's one over by the lighthouse, which there's one over there already, but I think it's where a lot of people go and sit because you can swim with the cruise ship in the background, which is a really cool, neat thing that's pretty much different from any other private island that we've seen. You can never really swim that close to the ship. So I bet a lot of people hang out over there and they need more bar space. They're also adding a second food hall, which is massive because this island was built to support multiple cruise ships in one day, kind of similar to Royal Caribbean's private island. So they actually dredged out the dock area so that they can have their bigger ship, which will start sailing from Florida in April. It's their new mega ship, and it will be coming down here to the private island. So a second food hall is absolutely necessary. I'm gonna quickly interrupt our tour of MSC's newly renovated private island to let you guys know that if you were interested in booking an MSC cruise, I am an official travel agent, which means that I can get you the best prices on this exact cruise or any other cruise out there. And not only can I get you the best price, but I can get you special perks. For example, we were upgraded to this veranda room. We didn't pay for it. We paid for an ocean view, just a window, and we were upgraded to a balcony for free, no bidding up. It was all free, and I can do the same for you. So please reach out. Let me know if you're interested in booking this cruise or any other cruise in the future. And kind of the last big thing that they're doing is an exclusive place for the MSC Yacht Club. So it's gonna have like a terrace, veranda, new dining. It looks really neat. I don't think we'll be able to go over there today to see what they're doing because we're not staying in the Yacht Club, but it sounds like it'll be really nice. They have a cool picture. You can see it there. Looks pretty nice. And then the biggest thing, I think, probably the most expensive renovation that they're doing is they're actually expanding and updating the crew facilities on the island. So there are people that live on this island 24/7. They don't leave when the cruise ship leaves. They maintain the island. They ride out hurricanes. They're here making the island beautiful before we arrive and cleaning up after we leave. So they're really updating and enhancing those facilities for all of the crew. There's a lot of speculation about what this area is gonna be. They've already got a basketball court pretty much fully built. Some people are saying they're gonna put a pool there, but I don't know. I think that goes against their conservation efforts and stuff to have a big pool or something like that in the middle. Maybe a little kid splash pad for safety, but I don't know. I think it's gonna be more of a teen family game spot. So super exciting stuff. They kind of outline in this where all that new stuff is gonna be. And then of course on the back, they have this massive map of what it looks like right now. So we're gonna get off the ship. Hopefully it's not gonna rain today, or at least we can dodge the rain a little bit to explore and show you guys what to expect when you visit MSC's Ocean Cay. so much for coming along with us today to explore this private island. I'm super excited for all the renovations that they're doing and can't wait to sail later this year on MSC's newest ship and come back to the private island to see everything that they've done. If you've enjoyed this video, please make sure to give it a big thumbs up, share it with any of your friends and family who might be sailing or considering an MSC cruise in the future, and make sure to hit subscribe to be the first to see our new videos.